Now watch me whip. Now watch me nail it. Now watch me whip, whip. Let me see what it looks like. Yes, please.
Yes! It looks delicious. It looks so much.
Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today, I'm so excited. We're making an awesome holiday Christmas treat, and it's gonna be, wait for it, drum roll, unicorn hot chocolate. This is gonna be so fun to make, but first we tried to find some of the white hot chocolate in Walmart, and we couldn't find it, so we just bought this from Walmart. It's called Unicorn Frappe, but I think this will work better. So you're gonna have to sit down for now. Okay, let's get started. So we just poured out the powder and tried to measure it, and we found out that half of this pouch was 1/3. So now we're gonna pour the powder into our measuring bowl, and we're gonna add a cup of water, and we're gonna add some milk. So now I'm gonna pour the milk up to the 4-ounce mark on the measuring cup, and my mom is gonna help me pour the hot water. Make sure you don't spill milk, because I tend to do that a lot when I'm pouring it. Almost there. Perfect. Boom. I finally didn't spill the milk this time. Now my mom is going to help me pour in the hot water. So now we have our milk and our hot water mixed together. And now I'm going to pour the powder into the water and the milk. Whoa, it's turning blue, partially. This is so cool. Look at the steam coming up. It's carrying some of the powder with it. This is so cool. Now I'm going to use the spoon to mix it all together. Make sure you mix it very well so that there isn't any powder on the sides of the bowl. Now there are going to be a couple of clumps of powder, and if you need help, ask an adult to help you mix it very well. That might be what I have to do. So now that we've got our unicorn mixture all good and ready, we're going to start preparing the glass. It smells so good, by the way. It smells like bubble gum. Wow. I didn't even know it was going to turn blue even. So what you'll need to decorate the cup with is some frosting. And then you're gonna need some of these awesome colorful sprinkles. You can choose any color you want. And by the way, these sprinkles actually came with this frosting. So it was kind of like a 2-for-1 deal. So now I'm gonna take this frosting and smear it along the top of the glass where you drink it. And I'm probably gonna do about 1/2 inch thick. You also don't want to take too much because then it'll get all clumpy all over your glass. And also you might want to spread it a little thicker so that it looks like a cloud. And you don't want to make it too thin so that the sprinkles can actually stick onto the glass. But yet again, you don't want to take too much frosting. And it's okay if it gets a little messy. It's fine, because I'm getting pretty messy right now. Okay, so now that you're done with the frosting, make sure that it's not all clumpy. Then you can also take your sprinkles and put them where you put your frosting. I'm gonna put some in my hand to make it a little bit easier. And I'm gonna put the cup inside of the sprinkles. It's okay if you get some frosting on your hands, because you can always wash your hands when you're done. It looks so good so far. Now we're done decorating the glass. This is what it looks like. It looks so cool with all the sprinkles. sprinkles on the top and everything. Yes. So now what you're gonna do is pour your drink into the cup, and when you're done, you can put some whipped cream on top and the rest of your sprinkles. Oh, and some marshmallows. You cannot forget about the marshmallows. Oh, this looks so satisfying. Look at all the sprinkles on the bottom. Can you guys see this? Oh, that is so cool. Okay, so now you're gonna take your whipped cream. Since I'm not an expert at necessarily doing that, it's a long story. I'm gonna let my mom do that, and then we're gonna sprinkle some of your toppings, the rest of your sprinkles, and some marshmallows on top. So now my mom helped me put the whipped cream in it. I can't do this because the liquid is in it and it would spill. But still, she helped me put the whipped cream on top and it looks so cool. Now what's left to do, it looks so good. It's so tempting to drink it. Now what's left to do is put the marshmallows on top and the rest of your sprinkles. And if you want to, a crazy pretty straw to put inside. Come out, my beautiful marshmallows. Yay. I dropped one. Marshmallow down. Marshmallow down. One right on the top. Boom. Wow, double marshmallow. They're stuck together. Isn't that cool? Even though I just ripped it apart. Do you think that's enough marshmallows or add more? I'm probably gonna add 2 more right here. Boom. Okay, 1 more. I can't help myself. Now I'm gonna sprinkle the rest of the sprinkles on top. This looks so cool. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time. And I'm gonna put all the ingredients for this delicious treat down in the description box. Now, I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Ooh, this looks so good. Oh, it tastes delicious. Oh, the marshmallows are delicious as well. Ooh, now I'm gonna drink it through the chocolate straw. It tastes very interesting. Oh, that looks so cool. Watch this chocolate straw. It looks so cool. This is delicious. Hi.